rising, everybody. This is the start of my day. A brand new day full of opportunities. Get ready to stop and give me a Chick-fil-A sandwich here. It's one of my routines, at least once or twice a week, something like that. Typically, I like to grab a smoothie, something, a little more healthier, but you got to get something in you. Protein shake or something, whatever. But anyway, you ain't no good if you ain't got those nutrients in your body. Yep, you got to get something in you. After I get my my breakfast sandwich, I'm going to meet one of my painters down here at the world famous A1 Cuts. Got a few wall repairs to do there and some painting. I don't know why I'm kind of getting away from painting. It's too much of a hassle, especially now with COVID. Being in somebody's house is just not something I want to be doing, and I don't want to put even my painters in a situation where they're exposed to something. That COVID is real. So mask up. I got about 25 of them just everywhere, in my bag, in my pocket. And it just baffles me that people are still gathering in groups and things of that nature. As far as I'm concerned, I've been quarantining for years. Hold on one second, let me order my food. Yes, can I have an egg white grill, please? The meal is fine, and I'll do a fruit cup instead of the tater tots, if you don't mind. Orange juice will be fine. No, thank you. That'll be all, thank you. Thank you very much. You too. Yeah, man. Anyway, it doesn't hurt to be nice to people. It's easy. Makes the world better. Want to, give out the energy that you want to return. Works for me. That's something that I had to learn, though. As you get older, you get wiser. You're supposed to. And then as men, you're supposed to lead, not follow. At any rate, I'm gonna get my food. I'll tap in with y'all in a little bit. Power Washing Pro GA, affordpaintpower.com. You want it done right? High pros. Paying for my food here. Thank you.
My pleasure. And then just give me 1 second on your orange.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, so you have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Thank you.
Yep. I think people genuinely want what's best for everybody. But then you have those that just want to keep stuff going. You got to stay far away from those folks. Far away. It's like cancer. But anyway, get off my Dr. Phil moment. Speaking of Dr. Phil, if you haven't checked out Kevin Samuels, you gotta check out Kevin Samuels. YouTube. The man is a unicorn. He's speaking real life stuff that's been going on for quite some time, but nobody took the opportunity or had the platform to talk about an ongoing issue. But anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. I like to be out here power washing and stuff like that. But anyway, check out Kevin Samuels when you get him in. I'll chime in with you in a minute. Head of the A1. All right, getting ready to pull up on Diego. Dude's a beast. He's a grinder too. 5 a.m. I can call him. He gonna answer me and be like, "What's up, Barry, man? What you got?" Hold on. What's up, bro? How you feeling?
Doing good, man.
Good.
How you been?
I'm good. We're gonna go right over here to A1.
All right, let's go, man.
Let's go.
I'll follow you.
Yeah. Be ready. Love it. Ain't too many of us like that left in the world. You don't work, you don't eat. It is not gonna come knocking on your door. And it ain't gonna happen in 30 seconds unless you're doing something you ain't got no business. Yeah, do it so nobody can take it from you. Do it the right way. Don't take much to have peace of mind, quality of life. Just keep it simple. All right, pulling up on A1. I actually treated the shop last night for my man Russ. He's the owner of A1 Cuts. It took about 15, 20 minutes. You know, you gotta keep your environment safe for your patrons. That way you can continue to maintain. At any rate, we're gonna go in and walk this property and show my painters what we gotta do. Stand by.
Pete, that's the Pete. This is your seat, Perry?
No, this is not my shop. This is my shop that I go to.
Oh,
Yeah, this is the shop that I get my haircut at.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, A1, they on point. So come on back here.
All right, Pete.
Get some lights going in here.
That's the Pete.
Get some lights going. Hold on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, ain't no light, man.
All right, here we go. Sorry about that. Got you walking in the dark.
All right, Perry.
All right. See this wall right here?
Okay, yeah.
I need to take these mirrors off.
Take the mirrors off,
Yep. Fix the wall,
patch it.
right? And paint that wall and this wall.
Okay.
The
paint
purple
this.
color. Yep, that's it.
Everything purple.
Everything purple.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. Patch those.
Pretty simple.
All right. And paint. You got the paint, right?
We will get it. I think
All right.
we may have it here somewhere. I gotta get with Russ.
Okay.
And if not, you know, we
Yeah.
right down the street.
Yeah, pick up a gallon.
You know how we roll.
Yeah, a gallon should do it. Maybe.
You see paint?
Damn.
Yep.
Purple, right?
Yep. No, that's red.
That's right.
Should be like a lavender color.
All right.
Purple. Plum. There you go, right there. That's super paint interior.
Oh, okay. Oh no, that's not in there, man.
Ain't nothing in there. Well, at least we got the color.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah,
We
let's
got the
pick up
color.
a gallon.
Just check that other one right there, D. What is that? No, that ain't in either. Let me see. Okay, yeah. So that's the color. We need a gallon.
Pick up a gallon.
Super.
bro.
Yep.
Shit,
And then that way he'll have some.
Same thing.
He'll have some leftover. That's it.
Man, you gotta change this too.
Yeah.
Let's change it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, let's pick.
So I'll give whatever. Matter of fact, count all of them. Whatever ones we need,
Okay.
we'll do it and we'll get it.
Replace them.
Yeah,
Replace them, right?
I'm supposed to do that for us anyway.
Okay.
What's up with the light here?
And we gotta check these lights. Maybe they went out.
Nah, the lights ain't go out.
Oh, so we got that.
Huh?
Perry, why don't you do me a favor real quick?
What's up?
I'll be holding that trailer. Why don't you pick up a gallon real quick and bring it?
Okay, yeah, I can do that. I can do that because I got to go pick up my rig.
Yeah, real quick, man. Just pick it.
Yep, I'll pick it up. All right, that was simple. Got D started on that. Next, pick up a gallon of paint and pick up that yacht, pick up my speedboat, go spray some water, get this camera right. Sorry, guys. There we go. There you go. Get her done. All right, stand by. Put this camera down. We in Snellville. Snellville will have you hemmed up. Sorry for all the camera moving. I'm trying to get situated. All right, I think we got that. Seatbelt. So anyway, headed to go get my speedboat. That's what I call it. Sometimes it's the yacht, sometimes it's a speedboat. Just depending on what mood I'm in. I'll chime in with you once I get to the yard. All right, I'm here at Sherwin-Williams. This is another one of the places I tend to frequent. Not as of late, though. Just trying to get away from painting for a little while. Let this COVID thing blow over. I don't know. But at any rate, I'm gonna pop in here and get this gallon of paint. And I'll see you in a bit. All right, walking through Lowe's, y'all. One of the ladies up there said, "Man, I didn't recognize you. You got that hat on." She want to know where I get it from. You can't have one of these. At any rate, I'm looking for some sealing tile for A1 cuts. Get them right so they can continue to do what they do. Yeah, but it was pretty cold outside this morning. But we're gonna get through. Stand by. Do it again? Yeah. See, this is why I like coming to this Lowe's. I love my Lowe's. Remove your card, man.
How do you like your receipt? Print, email, or call?
Print. Thank you kindly. Have a good day, Lulu. All right. Yep, everybody's good. She's good. Yeah, she's on the warpath, but she's good. Let's go. All right, so today, next on my list, I didn't pick up the rig yet, but I do have to go back to Winder to do a cluster of houses, about 5 of them. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna cut some flow with a buddy of mine, Clean Team, Keon from Clean Team, down in the Atlanta side or the south side. At any rate, sorry about that. But yeah, you know, long as it's recycling, it won't run out, and it's more than enough to go around, man. You can't keep a closed fist and expect to accomplish anything in your life. You gotta be open-minded and open-handed. And stop always having your hand out to take. I don't want no pause up. I'll chime in with you in a minute. All right, everybody. Finally made it to Winder, Georgia. to knock out those houses. Had to come in here and fill up. There's no water sources at the front of these properties. Everything was in the garage. So had to come in here and fill up. Didn't realize that when I did this actual estimate. But at any rate, we're gonna eat it because we appreciate the opportunity, especially this time of year with everything going on with COVID and everything. It's hard to find people who's ready to spend money, especially for something like pressure washing. You know, a lot of people don't think that it's a necessity to get it done, but it can change your life, benefit your family health-wise, get rid of all that mold and mildew and disgusting crap around your property. But anyway, man, it's always better when it's clean. Beautiful day outside, not too cold. You know, we're out here doing what we love. We appreciate it. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Had to call in reinforcements over here. A little project I got going on. Got richwash.com, clean team power washing, pressure washing, or power washing. They are my folks. Ready to get it. Let's do it. Go out here and holler at my people. What's up, power washing pros?
We here, baby.
Yes, indeed. Live and uncut.
You know what I'm
Got my
saying?
man Keith from Clean Team Power Washing representing. Got richwash.com in the building. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Had to call in reinforcements for a little project I had going on here. Yes, indeed. This how we roll. As long as it's recycling, it won't run out, baby. Indeed. Indeed. That's what's up. Had to call in reinforcements, y'all. That's how it be. Closed fists. Don't bring you nothing. Yeah, y'all. Another one down.
Yes,
These
sir.
guys helped me out big time. Got richwash.com, I'm sorry. Clean Team Power Washing. These guys come through for me every time.
Hey, salute Big Bro though, man. Hey, he
It's
called
all
on
good.
the crew, man. You know what? Hey, you
Indeed.
can't do it alone, man. Three
Indeed.
heads better than one head.
Indeed.
Remember that.
So now you see, black folks can get along. Out, baby.
No, I'll never forget that day.